ሰላም ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንዴት ናችሁ? 11 mathematics which is rational equation and rational inequality. So any rational expression p of x over q of x, any rational expression p of x over q of x is greater than or equal to 0 or less or equal to or greater than or less than 0 is known as rational inequality. A rational expression which is connected by either greater than or equal to or less than or equal to or greater than or less than is known as rational inequality. The other is rational equation. Again, rational equation and irrational expression p of x over q of x equals to 0. Any rational expression reduced to the form p of x over q of x equals to 0 is known as rational equation, and any rational expression that can be reduced or written in the form of p of x over q of x greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or less than 0 is known as rational inequality. The basic thing for this chapter is how to find the solution set for rational inequality and rational equation, like quadratic equation, polynomial equation, linear equation, rational equation እንዴት ነው ሶልቭ ማድረግ ምንችለው የሚለውን ኮንሴፕት ነው የምናየው። ጋይስ እኔ ጋር ተከታተሉ። ከመጽሐፉ ላይ ያሉ ጥያቄዎችን ገለጥ አድርጋችሁ ይዋቸው። በጣም ሲምፕል ሆነው ስላየዋቸው እኔ በራሴ ትንሽ ሊትል ቢት ያሰሩ ጥያቄዎችን ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። እነዚህን ጥያቄዎች ሰራችሁ ማለት ከሌላ መጽሐፍ ወይም ከሌላ ኢንትራንስ ኤግዛሚኔሽን ኦር ኤኒ ቴክስት ቡክ ላይ ሪፈር ብታደርጉ በቀላሉ መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ቢኮዝ ዲስ ኩዌሽንስ አር ቬሪ ኢምፖርታንት። እነዚህ ኩዌሽኖች ብዙ ነገር ኤክሰርሳይዝ ስለምናደርግ እነዚህ ጥያቄዎችን በደንብ አንደርስታንድ አደረጋችሁ ማለት ሌላ ጥያቄ ቢሰጣችሁ 100% መስራት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው። ኦኬ a 1 over x minus 2 equals to which is rational equation 3 over x plus 2 minus 6x over x square minus 4. Okay, let's write again x 1 over x minus 2 equals to 3 over x plus 2 minus 6x over x square minus 4 is factorized as x minus 2 into x plus ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ፋክተር ስናደርገው እንደዚህ ይሆናል። ራሽናል ኢኩዌሽን ሶልቭ ለማድረግ ቤዚካሊ ምንድነው የምንጠቀመው? ዲኖሚኔተሩ ያለውን ኤክስፕሬሽን ካንስል ለማድረግ መልቲፕላይ ቦት ሳይድስ ባይ ኢትስ ኤልሲኤም። yes ሁሌም በኤልሲኤም አባዙት multiply both sides of the expression by its LCM. What is the LCM of x minus 2? x plus 2. ax minus 2 እና ax plus 2, ax minus 2 times the LCM ማን ነው ብለን ስናይ which is x minus 2 times x plus 2 is the LCM. Yes, the LCM of the denominator. So x minus 2 times x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 ስታረጉ x minus 2 is cancelled by x minus 2 which remains what? x plus 2 times 1 የሚለው ይቀራቸዋል ማለት ነው which is x plus 2 አገኛችሁ። x plus 2 is equals to again this divided by x plus 2 which remains what? x minus 2 ይቀራቸዋል። x minus 2 times 3 ታደርጋላችሁ which is 3 into x minus 2 የሚለውን አገኛችሁ minus this expression is divided by this expression is 1. Yes, 1 times 6x what? 6x. ይሄን አገኛችሁ ማለት ነው። good, these are linear. yes አሁን የሚሆነላችሁ ሊነር ሆነላችሁ። ሊነር ደግሞ ከሰባተኛ ክፍል ጀምራችሁ ተምራችሁታል። so this equals to x plus 2 equals to 3x minus 6x አገኛችሁ ማለት ነው which equals to x plus 2 equals to x equals to minus 2 አገኛችሁ። look but the domain must be what? thank you እዚህ ጋር እቺ minus 2 ዶሜን ውስጥ የለችም ማለት ነው። because the domain must be different from 2n minus 2, because if x equals to 2, 1 over 0 undefined, if minus 2, 3 over 0 undefined. So the domain is real number except these numbers. So minus 2 is not in the domain. Yes, in the domain. In the domain. ጋይስ እዚህ ጋር መጠንቀቅ ያለባችሁ ነገር ያገኛችሁት ኤክስ ቫልዩ ቀጥታ መልስ ነው ብላችሁ ከወሰዳችሁ ያረው ትልቅ ስህተት ተሳስታችኋል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ አሁን ሶሉሽን ሴታችን የዚህ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? ኢምፕቲ ሴት ነው ማለት ነው። therefore the solution set for this equation is empty set not equals to minus 2. ብዙዎቻችሁ ስትሰሩ ካገኛችሁ መልሱን አውቶማቲካሊ መልሱን ታከባላችሁ። እንደዛ አታርጉሽ ማይነስ 2። ስለዚህ ዶሜን ያገኛችሁት መልስ ዶሜን ውስጥ አለ የለም የሚለውን ቼክ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባችኋል ማለት ነው። ቼክ ማድረግ ይጠበቅባችኋል። ኦኬ ቢ again write this as x square plus x plus 3 plus እቺን ፋክተር ማድረግ ይጠበቅባችኋል። ሁሌም ፋክተራይዜሽን ካለ ፋክተር ማድረግ አለባችሁ ኢኩዌሽን ስትሰሩ ማለት ነው። so which is 3x over ስታባዙ 6 ሲደምሩት 5 which is what x plus 2 times x plus 3 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። equals to which is equals to what 2x over x minus 2 times x plus 2 ታገኛላችሁ። x square minus 4 is the same as x square minus 2 times x plus 2 ማለት ነው። so then next ስቴፓችሁ ምንድነው? በኤልሲኤሙ ማባዛት ነው። በኤልሲኤሙ ስታባዙ very simple ያደርግላችኋል ማለት ነው። what is the LCM of x plus 3 x plus 2 x minus 2 የሚለውን ትወስዳላችሁ። multiply both sides by its LCM which is the LCM of the denominator. The LCM of the denominator is x plus 3 times 1 x plus 2 times x minus 2. Multiply both sides of this expression by this times this times this times this ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። so ይህን ኤክስፕሬሽን ለዚህ ስታካፍሉት ምን ይቀራችኋል? x plus 3 በx plus 3 ካንስል ይሆንና we have what we have x squared into x plus 2 times x minus 2 የሚለውን ታገኛላችሁ። ሲደመር ይህን ኤክስፕሬሽን ለዚህ ስታካፍሉት x plus 2 እና x plus 3 እነዚህ ሁለቱ ካንስል ይሆናሉ። x minus 2 ይቀራችኋል። so which is 3x into x minus 2 equals to ይህ ኤክስፕሬሽን ሲካፈል ለዚህ ስታረጉት x plus 3 ይቀራችኋል። so 2x into x plus 3 done. These are simple, right? These are simple, I think. With equals to x squared into x plus 2 x minus 2 which is x square minus 4s which is x square minus 4 plus ይህን ስታባዙት 3x square minus 6x equals to ይህን ስታባዙት 2x square plus 6x ይሆናል ማለት 6x with equals to x square times x square is x to the power of 4 minus 4x squared plus 3x square plus like right እንዳልጻፈውና አንስቴፕ 3x square minus 6x equals to 2x square plus 6x minus 4x square 3x square which is what which equals to x to the power of 4 x to the power of 4 minus x squared minus 6x equals to 2x squared 2x squared plus 6x ይህን እናገኛለን። look guys minus 6x plus 6x ወደዚህ ሁሉንም ሙቭ አድርጉት። 2x square minus x square this can be rewrite as what which is x to the power of 4 ሙቭ ስታረጉት ወደዚህ which is minus 3x squared ሙቭ ስታረጓት minus 12x equals to what equals to 0 ታገኛላችሁ ማለት equals to 0 ታገኛላችሁ። እስቲ ኤክስን ፋክተር ላድርገው which is ኤክስን ፋክተር ስታደርጉት ኤክስ ኢንቱ ኤክስ ኪው ማይነስ 3x minus 12 equals to 0 equals to 0 ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር x cube minus 3x minus 12 is equals to 0 these are polynomial how you guys x to the power of 3 minus 3x minus 12 is equals to 0 ይህ ምንድነው this equals to x equals to 0 or x to the power of 3 minus 3x minus 12 equals 0 ነው አገኘን ማለት ነው one of the solution is x equals 0 and 0 in the domain of this expression is 0 ደግሞ ዶሜን ውስጥ ትገኛለች ስለዚህ 0 is one of the answer 0 አንደኛው አንሰራችን ነው ማለት ነው ሁለተኛው x to the power of 3 minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 0 የሚያወጣላችሁ ቁጥር ትፈልጋላችሁ this is polynomial right this is polynomial you have learned from great years by using rational root test rational root test rational root test check አድርጋችሁ rational root test ምንድነው የሚለው which is the factor of what the factor of the constant term a naught divided by the factor of what the leading coefficient a and s the set of all possible rational zeros of this polynomial equation is obtained by rational test which is the factor of the constant term divided by the factor of the leading term አርጋችሁ ይሄን ስተኩት 0 የሚያወጣላችሁ ቁጥር which is the solution of what this rational equation ማለት ነው መጨረሻ መልሷን ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልኝ ጥያቄ the answer please write the final answer for at the comment thank you everyone